The 2026 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck marks the legendary return of one of the most iconic names in American truck history, blending classic heritage with modern innovation in a way that instantly captures attention. For decades, the C10 represented freedom, power, and timeless design, and Chevrolet has now reimagined this legendary pickup for a new generation without losing its soul. From the moment you see the 2026 C10, it feels like a tribute to the past and a bold step into the future, designed for truck lovers who appreciate nostalgia but demand modern performance, technology, and comfort. This truck is not just about looks or legacy, it's about redefining what a classic pickup can be in today's world. Chevrolet has carefully balanced retro styling cues with cutting-edge engineering, ensuring the C10 feels familiar yet futuristic. Whether you're a longtime Chevy enthusiast or a younger buyer discovering the C10 name for the first time, this truck promises to deliver excitement, capability, and unmistakable road presence. In this full in-depth review, we'll explore everything from its design philosophy and engineering to its exterior styling, interior comfort, performance, and real-world usability. So stay with us as we dive deep into the rebirth of an American legend of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. The 2026 Chevrolet C10 is built on a modernized truck platform engineered to deliver strength, reliability, and versatility while preserving the simplicity that made the original C10 so beloved. Chevrolet has focused heavily on chassis rigidity and weight distribution, using high-strength steel and lighter-weight materials to improve durability without sacrificing efficiency. This foundation allows the C10 to feel solid and planted on the road while still offering smooth handling and responsive steering. The overall proportions are well balanced, making the truck suitable for both daily driving and utility-focused tasks. Under the hood, the 2026 C10 is expected to offer multiple powertrain options to appeal to a wide range of buyers. These may include a refined V6 for balanced performance, a powerful V8 for enthusiasts craving traditional muscle, and possibly a modern hybrid or electric-assisted variant to meet future efficiency standards. Each engine option is tuned to provide strong low-end torque, which is essential for hauling, towing, and confident acceleration. The transmission is smooth and responsive, ensuring effortless power delivery whether cruising on the highway or navigating urban streets. Chevrolet has also placed a strong emphasis on ride quality and handling. Advanced suspension tuning allows the C10 to absorb road imperfections with ease while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The steering system feels precise and predictable, making the truck easy to maneuver despite its bold size. Braking performance is equally impressive, with large ventilated discs and electronic braking systems designed to provide confidence under heavy loads. From a technology standpoint, the 2026 C10 is thoroughly modern. It features a new generation electrical architecture that supports advanced driver assistance systems, infotainment upgrades, and connectivity features. Safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking help make the C10 suitable for families and long-distance driving. Chevrolet has ensured that while the truck looks classic, it performs like a modern, intelligent machine built for today's roads and tomorrow's expectations. The exterior design of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 is where nostalgia meets modern craftsmanship in the most striking way. Chevrolet has clearly drawn inspiration from the original C10's boxy, muscular proportions while refining every surface for improved aerodynamics and visual impact. The front fascia immediately commands attention with a wide grille that echoes the classic horizontal layout, now reimagined with modern detailing and LED lighting technology. The headlights feature a sharp, contemporary signature while still maintaining a retro character that longtime fans will instantly recognize. Step inside the 2026 Chevrolet C10 and you immediately realize that this truck is not simply a retro revival, it is a carefully crafted blend of classic inspiration and modern luxury. Chevrolet has designed the cabin to respect the simplicity of the original C10 while elevating every surface, control, and material to meet contemporary expectations. The dashboard layout is clean and horizontal, echoing the classic truck aesthetic, yet it integrates advanced digital technology seamlessly. Soft touch materials dominate the cabin, complemented by brushed metal accents and optional wood or heritage-themed trim packages that reinforce the C10's timeless identity. The driver-centric cockpit places all essential controls within easy reach, ensuring a natural and intuitive driving experience. A large digital instrument cluster provides clear, customizable information such as speed, navigation, towing data, and driver assistance alerts, while still offering classic gauge-style graphics for those who appreciate a traditional look. At the center of the dashboard, a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system acts as the control hub for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The screen is responsive, easy to read in all lighting conditions, and thoughtfully angled toward the driver for improved usability. Seating plays a major role in defining the C10's interior character. The front seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long hours behind the wheel. Chevrolet offers multiple upholstery options, ranging from durable cloth for work-focused trims to premium leather with contrast stitching for higher-end variants. The seat design balances firmness and cushioning, ensuring comfort without sacrificing support. Rear seating, if equipped in extended or crew cab configurations, provides ample legroom and headroom, making the C10 suitable for families or work crews alike. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the cabin. Large door pockets, a deep center console, hidden under-seat compartments, and modular storage areas ensure that tools, personal items, and everyday essentials are always within reach. The steering wheel feels substantial and well-crafted, featuring integrated controls for audio, cruise control, and driver assistance systems. Ambient lighting options subtly enhance the cabin atmosphere at night, giving the interior a premium and inviting feel without detracting from its rugged personality. Sound insulation has been significantly improved compared to classic trucks, creating a quieter and more refined cabin environment. Road noise, wind noise, and engine vibrations are well controlled, allowing drivers to fully enjoy conversations, music, or navigation prompts. Overall, the interior of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 successfully bridges generations, delivering a space that feels authentic, modern, and purpose-built for real-world use. Comfort in the 2026 Chevrolet C10 is not an afterthought, it is a core design priority. Chevrolet understands that modern pickup truck owners expect their vehicles to perform multiple roles, from daily commuting and family transport to long-distance road trips and heavy-duty work. As a result, the C10 offers a ride experience that feels composed, relaxed, and confidence-inspiring in almost every driving situation. The suspension system has been carefully tuned to absorb bumps, potholes, and uneven surfaces while maintaining stability and control, making the truck feel far more refined than its rugged appearance might suggest. The seating ergonomics contribute significantly into long-term comfort. The driver's seat offers multiple power adjustment options, lumbar support, and memory settings on higher trims, allowing drivers of all body types to find their ideal driving position. Heated and ventilated seat options further enhance comfort in extreme weather conditions, ensuring the cabin remains welcoming year-round. Rear passengers benefit from thoughtfully designed seat contours and generous spacing, making long journeys far more enjoyable than in traditional work-focused pickups. Climate control is another area where the 2026 C10 excels. Dual-zone or multi-zone automatic climate systems allow occupants to personalize temperature settings, while efficient air circulation ensures consistent comfort throughout the cabin. High-quality materials used in the seats and armrests reduce fatigue, and soft padding in key contact areas adds to the overall sense of luxury. Long drives feel less tiring thanks to the balanced ride quality and reduced cabin noise. Practicality remains at the heart of the C10's comfort-focused design. Easy cabin entry and exit. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Chevrolet C10 proves that this legendary nameplate is not just about nostalgic design, it's about delivering serious capability for modern drivers. Chevrolet has engineered the new C10 to offer a balanced blend of power, efficiency, and drivability, making it equally comfortable on city streets, highways, and rugged terrain. Under the hood, the C10 is expected to offer multiple powertrain options, catering to a wide range of buyers, from daily drivers to performance enthusiasts and hard-working professionals. The base engine delivers smooth, predictable power with strong low-end torque, which is ideal for hauling, towing, and everyday driving. Acceleration feels confident rather than aggressive, allowing the truck to move effortlessly even when loaded. Higher trims introduce more powerful engine options, potentially including a turbocharged V6 or a modern V8-inspired setup that delivers impressive horsepower while maintaining fuel efficiency. Throttle response is refined, and power delivery remains linear, ensuring the truck never feels overwhelming or difficult to control. Transmission performance plays a key role in the C10's driving character. The advanced automatic gearbox shifts smoothly and intelligently, adapting to driving conditions in real time. Whether cruising at highway speeds or climbing steep inclines, the transmission remains responsive and composed. Manual shift modes allow drivers to take greater control when needed, adding a more engaging driving experience for those who enjoy an active connection with their vehicle. As we come to the conclusion of this in-depth review, it's clear that the 2026 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck is far more than just a revival of a classic. It's a carefully reimagined icon built for today's world. Chevrolet has managed to preserve the soul of the original C10 while integrating modern technology, comfort, performance, and safety features that today's drivers demand. This balance between heritage and innovation is what makes the new C10 truly special in an increasingly competitive pickup truck market. From its bold exterior design and thoughtfully crafted interior to its impressive comfort and capable performance, the C10 delivers a complete and well-rounded experience. It appeals to a wide audience, including classic truck enthusiasts, modern pickup buyers, and those who simply want a vehicle that stands out from the crowd. The attention to detail throughout the truck reflects Chevrolet's commitment to honoring its legacy while pushing forward with confidence. The driving experience reinforces the idea that the C10 is not just about looks, it's about functionality and reliability. Whether you're using it as a daily commuter, a workhorse, or a weekend adventure vehicle, the C10 adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. Its refined ride quality, advanced technology, and powerful engine options ensure that it feels just as comfortable on long highway journeys as it does on rough back roads. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 is how seamlessly it bridges generations. Older fans will appreciate the design cues and spirit of the original truck, while younger buyers will be drawn to its modern features, connectivity, and performance. This cross-generational appeal positions the C10 as a future classic, one that respects its past while confidently shaping its future. In the end, the 2026 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck stands as a bold statement from Chevrolet, proving that legendary nameplates can be revived with purpose, authenticity, and innovation. It's a truck that celebrates history without being trapped by it, offering drivers a unique blend of nostalgia, modern engineering, and everyday usability. If Chevrolet brings this vision to life as expected, the new C10 could become one of the most talked about pickup trucks of its generation.